Hello. The blog is an important tool for the teachers because helps to the synchronic and asynchronic communication. It's important to pick your blogging platform because it's an important decision when you want to make a blog, because you need to review the tools and the website looks like yourself and the piece of software works the good way possible. In this case, we can talk about Blogger. It's a place that you can create a blog. It's free and you can access it with your Google account in Gmail. Here you can find a blog. You can create so much blogs, not only one. You can find different page for edit your blogger. You can make a presentation and different theme about the blog for personalize your options. You can find other options like start, spots, earrings page, and settings. You can visualize it and later make some editions and finally publish your blog. For writing your blog, you need a clear idea. Actually, start reading your blog post. It's a big opportunity to develop the reading and writing skills. You can easily add social media buttons, photos, videos, and the readers can interact with you in asynchronic moments. The blogs permit to add on your site some information, present new information about a specific topic, works like a diary, and the other people can interact with you all time that you publish it. It's important the blog looks great. Finally, the blog is an important web tool for students and teachers because you can actualize it in every moment, and the interaction permits the creation learning virtual classroom in all age about some topics for the students and the general public.